Guess what we're going to be making over next? This dresser. So it's been in my garage for probably about 3 years, 4 years maybe. And so finally I'm going to be stripping this down. I'm going to strip it. I'm going to sand it. I'm going to restain it. And this is going to be for my son's room. And what I like about this is that it's got plenty of space. And you know, you've got your basic drawer here up top, but look how deep this drawer is. Oh my gosh, take a look at this. Take a look, take a look, take a look. Now, I'll tell you, my son is 16 years old and he is still using the dresser that he got when he was like 4. So his clothes are much bigger now and he doesn't actually keep them in the dresser because there's no space. So I'm hoping that by getting this refinished for him, he's got a lot more space to keep his clothes. They're not cluttered all over his floor next to the dresser. And I'm trying to get this done in the next few days because I don't feel that I didn't do very many projects in 2025. I focused on some big things, but I feel like I could have been doing a lot more. And so right off the bat, right out of the gate, I just went into my shed January 1st and I just started creating. I did this chair, which I think you remember, my little pink chair here that I reupholstered. I did that. And I was able to finish this in I had half of it already done. I was able to finish this in maybe like half a day. I mean, it's crazy. And then if you haven't seen my latest video on my YouTube channel, I made a butterfly rug, which is so cool. I've never made rugs before, so this is my first time doing rug tufting. So I'm just trying to come out of the gate, like 2025, I'm trying to come out of the gate just creating and not making excuses. I have my huge X-Tool P3 here. So you're going to see a lot of things coming from me this year as soon as possible, making things, laser engraving. Oh, and my bracelet. I'm taking leather belts from the thrift store. I'll show you. I'm taking leather belts from the thrift store. And you can't really see that very well. Can you see that? There we go. And I am actually engraving these. And yeah, so I've got a lot of cool things. It says momentum. I've got a lot of cool things that I'm trying to do for 2026. And so I invite you to come along on this journey as I tackle all of the things, all of the projects. Let me get myself straightened out. All of the projects that I should have been working on in 2025. We're going to be working on them in 2026. And like one of the big projects that I want to do is I want to get my garage done. Like I thought that I was going to get this done in November and I started working on it. But the thing is it just proved to be too much work. And it's like, you know, storing furniture out there, you have to do something with the furniture before you can work on the rest of the garage. And so there is an order to this madness, right? Before we can get to the garage, we actually have to take care of the furniture in the garage and get those things done. Either refinish it, sell it, whatever needs to happen with it, it needs to happen so that we can work on the garage. Because ultimately, my goal is to park in my garage. I've never, in the 15 years we've lived here, I've never been able to park in my garage. And so that is my goal in the next 3 months, is to get my car in there, and then just have more organization, just be doing a lot of creating and really taking this time this year to sell things and not just feel like everything has to go in my house. Like I want to start selling some things. So anyway, that's what I wanted to show you. Let's do a little closer inspection of this dresser so you can see what this looks like. And I mean, it's got a lot of surface imperfections here. So, you know, there are certain dressers and things where you could, you know, probably just clean it up, but you can't clean this up. I mean, look at this. So it's got to be stripped, but I think the wood is going to be really nice underneath here. And as I was telling you, these drawers, this one, of course, is shallow, you know, your little underwear drawer, but this one is just so deep. Like, I love this. This is so huge. So my son, he's going to be able to put a lot of clothes in there. And I'm actually kind of surprised that these drawers are as nice as they are. I thought there'd be a lot more damage in here. So I know that I wasn't very present in 2025, but I'm promising you that I'm showing up in 2026. I feel like this is a fresh start, and maybe you need a fresh start too. Maybe there's some things that you left behind in 2025 and you just want to start being more creative or more, I don't know, taking risks with your projects, trying something different, learning a new skill, like how I'm learning how to rug tough. It's fun. It's fun creating. So stick with me. Be sure to come back to my channel because I'm going to show you this dresser probably next week. You know, when you're refinishing furniture, there's a lot of steps, especially if you're stripping, sanding, doing 2 or 3 coats, and then top coat, you got to let it dry in between. You got to sand it. Like there's a lot. And then not to forget, I've got to edit all of the footage and the pictures and all that stuff. So come back. I'm here. And if you want to stay in contact with me more often, you can go to Thrift Diving on Instagram. That's where I kind of show up daily to post some things here and there. Or send me an email, serena@thriftdiving.com, and I will respond back to you. All right, guys, I hope your New Year's is off to a good start, and I will see you next project.